Hello everyone, and let's continue working with the quiz. Okay, let's finish. Not finish. Let's continue. Okay. Okay. Let's get a new file here. Let's name it. Take quiz.html. Right. We're working with this view right now. Take a quiz. So let's copy this one. Let me see. Okay. Let's copy this one. Let's paste it here. And we can just leave it like that. Like, okay. So now here, let's delete that. Um, Here, let's create a new form. Okay. Method will be pause. And action will be action. The URL that will be called submit. So basically that URL check is the submit quiz. So let's go here, submit quiz. So this submit quiz, submit attempt takes course ID, module ID. We need to pass those here. So let's pass the course ID. And pass the module ID. And well, we don't need the quiz because we can get it from there. Okay. Save. So now here, okay, here. Course ID, comma, module ID, comma, and now just put quiz.id. Okay, because remember we're passing the, and now, so here, put role form. And let's just put like the spacing here. Okay, we need the cross forgery token. Let's just go here. Let's copy from here. Paste it here. So now we need to basically like load all the questions. So for question in ways that questions that all. Okay. And then we get those, we can render. Let's put a BR here. And then here we're going to show the test of the question. So let's put question. We go to the models. Let me check. The question test. Let's copy. It's dot paste here. Oh, it's like repeat. Oops. What's it like? Okay. Unexpected character. Oh. Okay. Okay, we got the question. Now, I want you to type. Let's put this one here. Let's create a new input, right? This one will be name question, because remember in the views we are getting all the questions IDs and the answers ID. So let's put question name, like hidden question and name like question, and then value, very important, value will be question dot. Okay, okay, we basically like load all the questions. Now we need to load the answers of that question. Let's go here. We just put it here. So for answer in question dot answers dot all. Here, remember answers. Okay, we're calling all the answers. So let's put a div here. Class. Input. Let's use the checkbox for that. So let's okay, here, okay, here, let's copy input. Okay, so in label, we just leave it like that, and then here input name. Remember the name. What's the name? Remember here the name is let me see, answers. Okay, it has to. So remember, it has to match the same like names. Okay, so you need to make sure that they match. Okay, so we can just here I have like answers and this question. I just put it like a question and then like answer. Just make it like, it's just not make it like plural. So because we added like question here, so just put answer. Right? Okay. Type checkbox. Okay, we got the name. Oh, we need the value, right? Same thing that we did here. So value here answer dot id. Right? Just like that. Pretty much. So here is parent, let's just put answer dot answer underscore test. And yeah, that should be it. So we need to put here and for and here and okay. Let's go to new quiz here. Let's just copy this button. Let's just put let's both. Let's put submit. Okay, that should work. Let me see if the form is correctly. The button is inside the form. This one goes here. This one goes on top. Okay. So everything should work. So we just need to check. Remember, answer question. Remember, there has to be here answer a question. Okay, that's for the take quiz. So we need to create a new one, a new file. Let's call it quiz detail. Oh no, let me see how we name it. Okay, attempt detail. We can just copy this one. Where are we? Here. Okay, new file. Save. HTML. Okay, so attempt detail will be very similar to take quiz, so we can just go copy all of that, paste it here, and we can just have the same thing here, the same thing here. But for the here, let's delete this action thing. We can just delete the method and the action here. Okay, just delete. Let's delete all of that. Let's delete the button too, because we don't need a button, right? So what I'm going to do, we're going to show the basically like the correct answers here. So this is the answer. So here, let's have a conditional, right? If answer that is correct equals true, right? This means that the answer is correct. So let's put, if you go here, you can just mark like checked. So I would just copy this one. It'll be checked, right? Then here we can just put, and if it will basically they show us this is the correct answer, so we can kind of like compare. So now we are here, save. So let's go, let's just put like something very let me just copy this. Oh no, let me just this, right? I just want you to see. I want something like very nice. Let's just put your answers. About to be right. Okay. So here, for attempt in, we go here, it will be attempts. All right, let's put an H5. Very simple. And then here we put attempt dot answer test, because here is an attempt. If you go to the models, you can have the answer here. Okay, that's what I call it. And yeah, pretty much I just put it. Okay, now we need to actually, let me check. So let's add a conditional here. Let's add a condition. So if attempt that answer that it's correct equals true, right? We will put a green. Oops. else will be red, right? And in here we can put and if. And then at the end we can put test. So kind of like if it's green, it will be like green test, and if it's true, if it's not true, it will be red, like red, and then test. Okay. Um. Yeah, let's just leave it there for now. Now we can let's try the moment of truth. Let's go to your courses. I'm expecting so many errors right now. Okay, now let's go to let me refresh. Let's refresh. Okay. Okay, a new quiz. Go. It's working. Okay, really quiz. Okay, let's put first quiz of the class really quick here. Oh, for the do let's do something. Let's go to JavaScript, the JavaScript file here. Let's go here in it, and let's get the picker. Just go JavaScript. Oh, see components. Okay, pickers. We need to initialize the data picker. Okay, here. Let's just copy, paste it here. So now, here we need to put the format, because remember, in like it depends what type of like format are you using. So I'm just going to put mine here. Let's just put format. Then here I'll be the year first, and then the month, and then the day, just like that. That's the format that my database accepts. So let me just go back, and then let's refresh with Control F5, which is JavaScript loads. Okay, now it's working. Okay, let me put due for tomorrow. And yeah, you can see the date is showing with the correct format. So first day of the class, allow attempts 3 and time limits 15 minutes. Here, let's just see, we can just copy this. Let's check. Let's just copy this test. Okay. Create new quiz. No constraint. Okay, line 22. We forgot to add here voices do we forgot to add user. That's right. So now let's go here. So user will be user. That's right. Let's save. Let's go back. Let's try again. Reverse for new question of let me check. Uh, New question. Wait, we had a typo here. Fix that. Right? That's how it is. Let's go to the admin here in the quiz. Register. Mhm. Because I know it will probably like mess everything up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to restart, going to delete all the, just in case we have like an error in this part. So copy in here all the mods. I know you can call all them. I know that, but let me just copy here. Okay, let's go to the end, like, because I think the yeah the the quiz, yeah, the quiz just got created. I just deleted it. Just deleted it. Okay, let's go to Walter White again. Hello, Walter White. Okay, module in introduction, new quiz. First quiz of the class again. Here we go. Due tomorrow. Have to hurry up. Time limits in minutes. 15. Okay, so before I click create, let's go to the views. And I think it's going to fail. Why? Because look, in the URLs, it takes, let me see, course, module, and quiz. So we need to pass that here. So, so course ID. Okay, we're here. So course ID will be course ID. Oh, sorry. Whatever. Okay, no. Oh, yeah. So course ID will be course ID, and module ID will be module ID, right? Perfect. Let's save. This is very complicated, but okay, we save. Now create new quiz. Oh, we forgot to add the description. Create new quiz. Here we go. Okay, it created. Now we're in the new question. Let's go to the view, new question. Let's jump here. And here, remember the same thing. Let's just copy the whole, like, Reddit URL thing. Let's just copy it and paste it here. Okay, save that. Let's check the URLs. Yeah, no, yeah, will be great. So, I'm just going to put like I did before. I did it before, so I'm just going to put random answers. So this one will be the third one. Electricity is something I can get. That will be the correct answer. Okay. Create new question. And it worked. So now what is chemistry? Let's just answer one, scientific discipline, electricity. I'm just putting random stuff. Right? The second one. This is the second one, right? Okay, now another question. Who's Benjamin Franklin? Electricity guru. There is correct. Answer 1. And we put this one will be the last one. Okay. Scientific discipline. Okay, let's create your question. Now we can just finish. I will just click finish. I'll just do it with how many questions? 3 questions. Okay, I'll just click finish. And if we go to module, we should have the quiz here, but it's not loading the title. Okay, let's go to the module. Here modules. Let's check what's going on. Oh yeah, we have page title. We need to change that here. And here for the icon, we can change the icon, right? We can put something. Segment. We can just put icon. Check. Check. But yeah, first quiz of the class. Now, wait, let me just use one of these random user. Okay, he's in this class. Now let's check if we can take the quiz. Let's go. And this is the description, my attempt. So this is the quiz detail. Let me just go quiz detail here. Okay, my attempt is 0 because we don't have any. But we don't have the button to. Let me just yeah, let me just copy this button here. Okay, and put it here. Just put take quiz, and here was a URL to take a quiz. Take a quiz. Okay. Take quiz. Let's go to the views. It will probably ask us for. Yeah. Let me see. Okay. Let me pass the. Oops. Course ID. Module ID. And then course ID. Of course, like this like URL situation that I'm having right now, like with all these parameters and like all these things, is because they're all encapsulated in the classroom app. If they were all like in there, if all this app, I mean, if all these apps like page quiz and all this stuff, they were the URLs were in the same view, sorry, in the same in their own individual file, it will be way different. We won't have to deal with this. But I just want you to. I mean, I'm not focusing on that right now. But let's refresh. Okay, it's not working. It's not finding the thing. Check. Okay, course ID. Let me see the URL. Take quiz. quiz ID, module ID, and course ID. Oh, I think it's the attempt detail of the problem. No. I'm gonna get into this one here. Let me go back. Let me refresh. Try again. Okay. $73. Let me check. Oh yeah, let's pass the course ID here. Okay. The module ID. And let's save. Let's check now and see. Okay. Okay, it's working out. It's in the quiz detail. Now, oh yeah, because this is the quiz detail. What was I doing? Okay, let's take a quiz. Let's try. Take quiz. All the questions are here. Now let's choose. Yeah, that one. This is the correct one. I choose at least one correct. This one, let's choose that one. I think that one's correct too. So let's submit. Let's see if it works. And it's submitted. Now let's check with this user modules, introduction, and my attempts is now volume. It's okay for attempt. Quiz detail. Let's check in the admin. Right? Let's check in the admin to see if we have data there. Attempts. Oh yeah. Oh wait, let me check. And let me put attempter to the admin. Let's refresh now. Enter. Oh yeah, we have the score. So something is not right with the Oh, well, yeah, that's why. So here, let's put attempt dot. Let me check. Mm, models. Oops. Yes, attempter, right? So we are here, attempter. So let's put the score, right? So we can see the score. Let's put. Okay, there we go. Let's put age of 5. Okay. Now we can click on that and then like see. This is the little by little, okay? This is the detail. Let's open a 10 detail. We forgot to. Oh yeah, we forgot the. Right. And let's refresh, and here it is. Yay, we got two answers, two correct answers. That one and this one. I choose that one, but the correct one is oh sorry. I choose answer one, but the correct is scientific discipline. Um but yeah. So this is a very simple quiz. We can improve it and probably do some videos on that. And but yeah, this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.